Hello everyone, welcome to GlitchSip, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can respawn the Warden on the surface of Minecraft. For this, what we're going to have to do is the following. Well, first of all, I want to tell you that technically if we use blocks with Silk Touch, for example, if we obtain these Skulk sensors, as you can see, they will do the animation to try to generate the Warden summoning. But no matter how much we move and move and move, the Warden is not going to appear because this is not its biome. Therefore, there is no way, as such, an artificial way to do this 100% in survival mode, because as you can see, I am jumping, 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 and the Warden does not appear. So what are we going to have to do? We're going to have to use a command. So in this case, we're going to type /summon, and we're going to enter Warden, and in this way, the Warden will be summoned. This is the only way in which we are going to be able to summon the Warden on the surface, because as you were able to see before, even if we obtain these items with Silk Touch, we won't be able to use them to summon the Warden. And well, that would be all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one here on GlitchSip.